Hey guys, if you're frustrated by your current hose situation like I was, then this is your solution here. It's the Ayleid Retractable Garden Hose Reel. And the brand didn't send me a free one, so I can create this video and demonstrate it for you, which I'm going to do in just a second. Now to pull it out, you simply just pull here. You see it retracts out and it locks into position. Now to put it back, you're simply just going to give it a quick tug. There it goes right back into position here. Now it does have a 9 pattern nozzle. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Here we go. You can see all you do is twist up here and you're going to enjoy different patterns. It does shoot quite far with power. It also comes with this hose nozzle here. Everything's very high quality, built well, and it also comes with this bracket so you can attach it to a wall. Now, I highly recommend this for anyone who has a backyard, grass, or any plants.